Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed the instance variables, static variables and local variables. In this session we are going to discuss variables versus default values. See, for the instance variables, JVM will assign default values. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. It will provide the runtime environment for the execution of the Java code. For the static variables, JVM will assign default values. See, for the instance and static variables, JVM will assign default values. But for the local variables, the JVM won't provide default values. In Java, before using local variables, we must initialize some values to the variables, otherwise it will generate the error. See, I will explain more by using the code. Int A, static B, int C. Now I am declared the three variables. This is my instance variable. This is the static variable because I am using static modifier. This is the local variable. Now I am going to access those variables in the main method. First I have to create the object, that is class name. S is my reference variable, new sample code. System.out.println. I can access the instance variable by using my reference variable, that is s.a. System.out.println. The static variable you can access by using the class name or by reference variable, or can directly access, that is I am using a reference variable, that is s.b. See, this is the local variables. We have to initialize some variable, assign some value, otherwise it will generate the error. So I am assigning 1. Then system.out.println C. Now run the code. See, 0, 0 and 1. For the instance variables, the default value is 0. For the static variable, the default value is 0. For the local variables, we must have to initialize some variable, that is I have assigned 1. If we not provide the value to the local variable, it will generate error. See, and I again run the code. See, it will generate error. The local variable C may not have been initialized. See, we must access the local variables by initializing some value, otherwise we cannot access local variables. By this session we can understand the variables and their default values. Thank you.